guys, and welcome to this quick flip through video of our new monthly fix planner for January. I'm super excited about this one. I think the graphics for this kit are beautiful. I love the colors, so it was really fun to create, and I hope you guys like it as much as I do. So in this video, we're going to kind of do a quick flip through so you can just see what's included in the planner, including the stickers, everything, and just get an idea of what the monthly fix is about and how it works. So the monthly fix is a planner that you can either purchase on a one-off basis or you can subscribe. You do get a little bit of a discount if you subscribe to our monthly fix, and I'll include a link to the subscription in the box below so you can access it quickly. But basically each month you get a new planner that includes everything you need for that month, including a bunch of stickers that you can use to decorate and just get really creative with your planning experience. It's designed to kind of also be a little bit of a journey as far as working on yourself and setting goals and kind of living your best life and being the best version of yourself. So each month the theme is a little bit different depending on what we feel like it's a good time to work on, and you can do those things. You can do the extra activities if you want, or you can just use the planner as is. It's kind of up to you how you want to use it, but I want to show you guys what's included. So let's go ahead and just jump right in. So every month you get 5 different files. You get the planner, then you also get 4 sticker kits, including the exclusive sticker kit, which is only available in the planner. Or with the planner. So the other sticker kits you can purchase separately, but the whole thing, if you were to buy all 3 of the sticker kits that are included that you can buy separately, you would be spending more than what you would spend on the planner. So it's a really, really good value for everything you get included. So here is our January planner. I'm going to jump into that last. I'm going to show you the stickers first. So the first sticker kit you're going to get is with the January planner is the Winter Wonderland standard sticker kit, which looks like this. You get a bunch of deco and full boxes, and then the next one you're going to get is the Winter Wonderland bullet journal version, or bujo, which this is the first page. Again, you get a bunch of smaller full boxes and stickers that we think are really great for bullet journal type planning. You get a bunch of background stickers, some fun torn paper, things like that, icons, and a matching habit tracker. So that's the bullet journal kit. And then you also get the monthly kit, which again, a bunch of full boxes. And then these stickers remind me more of like a happy planner sticker kit, because you have like a ton of note type boxes and headers, which is really common in their kits. And then you also have these fun watercolor splashes, which are really fun to get creative with. So that's the monthly kit. And then this is the exclusive kit. So you get a bunch more deco, which is really fun to work with, as well as this bucket list, which changes each month. So that you can use this. You can create your own bucket list, but this is in case you want to get some inspiration off of us. This is what we are using for our bucket list this month, as well as some just kind of functional stickers. So those are the stickers that are included. So now that we've got that out of the way, let me jump into the actual planner. So this is this month's planner. It will show you the theme, which is intention, which we think is perfect for January, since everyone's kind of setting goals and sort of figuring out what they want out of the next year at this time. So that's what this planner is all about. When you turn the page from the cover, you'll see this kind of index content page. There's links to everything. So the entire planner is linked, so you can jump around easily. If you click on the planner, it will actually open the planner, or if you click on any of these pages here, it will take you to that page in the planner. So you can quickly jump around and see what's included that way. Then you also have this to-do section here, as well as a note section that you can use to keep track of any extras you might have that month. So it's really everything that you need in one monthly planner. So let's go ahead and jump right into the planner. So the first page you'll see is a letter from me, a note from the editor, which is myself, kind of talking about what this month theme is and what's going on in the ink and pine world, things like that. And usually there's a really pretty kind of inspirational quote on the side here. The next page is going to be the outline of whatever that theme is. So this month it's intention. So you're going to see kind of some goal or some tips on how to set goals. And this page that's going to kind of walk you through the first steps of setting your goals. Next, you'll see a life evaluation page. This kind of moves. Usually it's kind of later in the planner, but because this month is intention, I moved it a little bit more forward so that you can work through the planner in a way that makes more sense since we're setting goals. So a life evaluation page to kind of decide where you're at with your different areas of your life. I love using this because then I can go back and look at my old planners and kind of see my improvement as well. And then the next is some additional pages on setting goals. If you've been through our Heart and Hustle program, a lot of these pages are very similar to the pages that are included in that program that's all about kind of living your best life and setting goals that are in tune with your heart. And then these are some additional pages for goal setting. Next, you're going to see your at a glance page, so you can quickly get kind of an overview of the year. And a future log. This is kind of a running log that you can use to write down things that are going to be happening next month or anywhere in the next 8 months. And you can kind of easily copy and paste these over into your new monthly planner for next month, so you can keep a running log. Then you have your monthly page where you can decorate, add stickers, add your appointments, whatever. Part of the allure or the fun of this planner is that it's pretty much pre-decorated for you. But you have all those stickers that you can use to kind of make it your own and really make it cute and fun. It's really geared to make planning creative for you. And then you have the December reflection page, so you can kind of look back and see what went well, what didn't go well last month. Then this is where you would kind of finalize your goals for the year. This is included in every planner. I copy and paste a lot of them over, but I change them each month, and that's okay. You don't have to keep the same goals every single month for a whole year. And you don't have to, if you have a goal you set 3 years ago and you still haven't made it, it's okay to let that goal go. You don't need to just keep it forever. You can change your goals as much as you want. Because this is all about, your life is about you doing the things you want to do, not about setting arbitrary goals and then just feeling obligated to do them anyways. And then this page is defining your goals. So this is where I like to kind of break down, this is where I write most of my ideas, and then I'll break them down into actual goals that I'll set for maybe the next 3 months or something like that. And you don't have to use all 10 sections. I just included 10 for you. And then this is the goal action plan, and you can copy this page as many times as you want for each of these goals. That's the idea. So if I'll write a goal down in here, and then I will break it down into smaller steps using the goal action plan page, and I'll make one for each of the goals that I've set. And then I like to plan out. So if I have some goals that maybe I can't reach right now, but I want to remember moving forward, I will put them in here, and then I transfer this over into each month and kind of rearrange to what's going to work for me, because I do tend to set or think that I can accomplish more goals than I can in 1 month. So a lot of times I need to move them, and that's totally fine. But this is also a way for you to see, to try to make sure that you're not doing too many goals in one time frame and kind of spread them out over the course of a year. The next page is the coloring page and sleep log. You have this beautiful mandala here that you can use to color. And I want to show you a tip on how I color these. I like to use the highlighter, and the reason why, let me pick a funner color than that gray, pick orange, is because you don't color over the lines. And I'll show you. So like if I want this section to be orange, it like lets the black pop up over it, which I really like. Whereas if you use the pen, it will draw over the line and it doesn't look as pretty. So I use the highlighter That's just a quick tip to color my mandalas, which is really fun to have a coloring project each month. And then this is your sleep log, and the way you would use this, again, I like to use the highlighter, but the way you would use this is, say on the 1st of January, I slept from 10 o'clock to 6 o'clock. You would just kind of draw a box in here, and you can even use like a sticker if you wanted to. I'll show you how you could do that here. And then you just keep track of it, so you can kind of keep track of how much sleep you're getting. Let me show you, if you don't like using the highlighter tool, I'm going to show you how you would use the sticker real quick. So let me go back to the standard sticker kit, which is not that one. There we go. We have this like whole page of these color blocks here, not a whole page, but section. And the way you can use this, so these last 4 in the newer kits, these are included in all of our standard kits, but in the last like couple months, we changed these bottom 4 to all be semi-transparent, which is really fun for color blocking. So I'm going to use one of these. And I'll show you, because Good Notes will allow you to actually stretch these and kind of customize the size. So I think we said 10 to 6. Is that what we said? I think so. It doesn't matter. So you can use it that way as well and kind of copy and paste this. So say the next night I went from 12 to 8, and you can see how your sleep is affecting your life, which is kind of fun. Anyways, so that's a sleep log. Then you have your habit tracker, where you use the line to write in what you're tracking, and then you can fill in the squares when you accomplish that. And then your mood tracker, you would just use, so you'll take again like your highlighter and say I want orange to be happy, color in that, and then if I'm happy on the 17th, I color this in here. And then you can kind of at the end of the month see how your mood changed throughout the month. And one of the fun things too in the sticker kits, there's a lot of little kind of things that they all work together in. The bullet journal kit, which I can't remember which one of these is which, has this sticker right here that you can copy over. And it has the color codes, and you can actually import these color codes in here. So it's easier. Move this up so I can see it, and then go in. Oops. And you'd enter in your own custom color, but this is like doing a weird thing. Okay, there we go. And you can add it to your presets if you want, but I'm not going to do that. So now I can have like matching colors if I want to. So again, and you can do that with the pen tool or the text tool, whatever, but you can, these are provided for you so you can match colors if you want to, because I'm really into that. So anyways, moving on to the next page, we have the bucket list. Again, this is where you can insert that bucket list if you want to use ours, or you can add your own items, and then you have your trending to-dos. And one thing to keep in mind is all these tabs over here on the side are linked, so the home page will take you back to the index, and then these all will take you back to the individual pages we've already gone through, but I've been kind of just flipping through them. But anyway, so this is your monthly to-do list, and then you have your week pages. These change, the layout changes, so you can kind of try some different layouts each month, but you always get inside your exclusive kit on the next page, you get a copy of your the layout for that month. So if you fall in love with one and you want to use it every month, you can actually add these on top of whatever the layout is, if for some reason there's a month you don't like, or if there's a layout you just love and you want to keep. So for January, this is what the weekly layout looks like. And in each weekly tab, you'll have the weekly layout, you'll have a meal planner, it looks like this, And then you'll have a notes page that you can use. I mean, you could add as much stuff as you wanted to this, really. You could add additional inserts for each week or each month, however you want to use it. But this is kind of your blank notes page. And so you have one of those for each of these weeks here. And then the last thing is you have a blank note section, so you can keep track of any notes that you want here. And then you also have 3 customizable tabs at the top that you can add in whatever it is that you want to add in, like say a financial tracker or something like that, evening and morning routines, anything like that. We have tons of inserts in our store that you want to add. So that's it for the January monthly fix planner. I hope that this gives you an idea of what's included and lets you kind of see the artwork and the design a little bit better. If you have questions or you need anything, I'm always here to help. Just reach out to me here, either in the comments or on my website at inkandpine.co. If you're interested in the planner, I did include links down below to where you can see this planner. And that's about it. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time.